started. So I want to record this scene, which is the Yankee Bomb, and to do so I have to open up the content browser, go to package and search for security camera. If you don't have the prefab, you just right click and fully load. You can choose the camera that you want, but then you will have to tweak your FOV because this is a 360 camera, so it sees everything, and this is just say 90. Yeah, I think it's 90 FOV. So let's just add this here and let's point it to what we want to save. Okay, now let's see, it's not good yet, so let's tweak it maybe a little down, not that much, just let's see if it's good like this. Yeah, I think this is perfect. Maybe a little more tweak. Let's place them back. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, now let's put the real camera here, which is going to record this. Don't worry about this, it's not going to record this here. I think if I hit this, yeah, it's not going to record this. Let's just open your content browser, go to actor classes and search for AA scene capture 2D actor. Drag it. Okay, now let's set it up. Let's point it to the camera. Well, if you don't use the prefab, but it adds that there is a camera and the player can see where it is pointing, so the player can see the dark, can imagine the dark, the blind zones. Now you have to align it parallel, in a parallel way. As you can see, it's not still good. This should be done now. Okay, still need a little bit tweaking. Just be correct. So this should be good. So yeah, it's perfect. Okay, now let's go to where the monitors are going to be. I think I've put them here, and here it is. As you can see, I've already set up a monitor which is live streaming. I put this box here just to live stream. I will show you that later. Okay, now open up your content browser and search for deco underscore generic office. It should be here. Fully loaded if you don't have. Now let's search for our monitor, which is here. Let's set it. Okay, don't do what I did. Delete. Right click and add as an interp actor. I will show you why later. So let's just do it because it's flying normally. Just yeah. Okay. Now how we are gonna put a live stream. So open up your content browser, search for your map. So let's go to maps, mission editor, save, and mine is called flow tutorial map, and open up security. It's a prefab that I made for material and for the first render to texture. So now you want to create a new texture render target 2D. You want to name it the name that you want. Let's just call it cam C4Y2. It goes for Yankee. Let's put our sizes to 1 to 180 and to 1920. So let's press OK. Just close. If you want to readjust the size, just readjust them here and re-import. Just close it. Okay, this is done, and now we want to create a new material. Let's call it cam C4 C4Y. Always in a group, just to for you can have to apply matte for material. Okay, now let's just drag our texture like any other texture. Just drag it just drag it into. I have a little screen, so it's not really good for big programs. Okay, I can choose this, I don't know why. Okay, now just connect this as diffuse. If we are in a dark, okay, it's not yet, I think. Oh yeah, it's not. If we are in a dark room, you want to choose emissive 2. So we are in a dark room. For the other camera, let's choose emissive, and then I will show you the difference. Apply changes. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to apply the material here by right clicking the interp actor, going to materials, and you choose none and assign generic browser. Now you can see we just have a flashy green, and let's go to the camera. Should be this side, I think. Okay, now choose your camera, go to texture target, open up your content browser, select the texture and apply. Okay, let's just see. It has a live stream now. That's nice. Okay, I will show you now really quick what's the difference if we remove the emissive. You choose what you want. So let's remove this. Let's apply it. So it should have by now. You can see it's really dark inside. You can see barely a thing. So I will just link to emissive. It's applied. Always save, because I'm using the 32-bit just to show you. Okay, now you can see a really dark thing that shouldn't be there, so let's tweak that so you can see the whole room without any problems. So it's here. Oh, just select your camera, and far plane you want to put this to 0. Always check that it's enabled, because if it's not enabled it's not going to show the streaming on the monitor. So check that it's enabled. Okay, now we should not see that. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so now I will show you how to put these two in a black and white color just to simulate a camera. So let's open up our content browser, make a new material, let's name it PP, that goes for post process, cam C4. Let's name it matte. Not sure why it's calling that. Let's call it material then. Okay, now you want to type here to search and add a desaturation node, and you want to add a scene texture. Now just link them like this. If you are more experienced than me in material and how to set a material, then just make how you like. I just go for this. Okay, so now we can see that default material, and we don't want this. Just select our diffuse, our preview material, and change this to blend translucent and lighting mode to unlit. So here we have, just save it. Oh no, I messed up here. It's not diffuse, you have to choose emissive. Forgot that, you have to choose emissive, not diffuse. Just apply. Okay, now let's create a post process chain. Let's call it pp cam c4, and you have seen render target. Now just add an ambient occlusion effect and add a material effect. Link them, select material effect, and select the material you've created. Just close this, just apply it. Okay, now we have to set the post process chain to our cameras. Just go to the properties, enable post process, open up your content browser, select your post process chain, and hit use selected object in content browser. Now you want to open scene cap view and choose lit. You don't want to choose wire, or you will make an exploit and your map if the dev sees, it's gonna be bad because you can see through. I will show you this real quick. So as you can see, it's all in wire mode, so if a player goes there you can see through it. It's not good. Just select lit. Okay. Oh, and enable post process, and let's select our post process. Oh, here. Okay, we see already that's in black and white. Save it, and I will jump into game and show you that it's working. Should be a little laggy. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm moving here. Let's hit a grenade there. So you can see the grenade there. Yeah. Let's launch it. Yeah, you can see everything that happens from the FOV that is set. I recommend 80 to 90 for these cameras. For the others, I don't know, you may have to Google it. Okay, we are still not finished. I added a bonus on the farm, and I'm going to show you how we do it too. Even if it's really simple, I'm going to show it. So you can see this one is black and white, this one looks more sepia. I don't know why. I don't know how to put this one black and white. Maybe further I will redo a tutorial, but to now it looks perfect to me. Okay, now all I want is I will show you what I want. What I'm going to show you is just, you can see if you hit the screen, it just goes off and never works again. If you hit this first, it's gonna true roll and it's not going to go off. So just real quick, choose your collision type to block all, open your Kismet, and new event using Interp Actor take damage. You want to tweak damage result to 1. You want to add a new action, actor set material. You want to link them. You still have the monitor chosen. You add a new object using this, using your Interp Actor. Now let's choose a pretty material. Go to zombie assets, hospital assets, and fully loaded. Search for temp, select the material, and just simply apply it. Just going to create a new sequence for this. Live cam damage, let's call it Y. Oh yeah, okay, I don't know what I did here. Okay, I will just do it again. No action, actor, set material, select it as this, Interp Actor. So it should be good now. Just select them all and just add them to a sequence. Well, I think I deleted the other one. Well, it goes well. It's just I show you the both. Take damage. It's really quick doing this. I actually figured this out by myself. Didn't watch any tutorial about this. Sometimes I just play around with Kismet. Just let's apply the material. Not select it all. I don't know if I can. Oh yes, I can. Create a sequence. Live cam damage obj goes for objective. Okay, now let's quickly save it, jump in game, and it should be working both. Yeah, this happens sometimes. Just choose another location. So, oh, I think this one is sepia because the light is spilled. The reflection makes that it look sepia. So this is all. I'm working on a way that the defending team can disable the monitors. Let's just plug them off, and the attacking team cannot plug them on again. So the disabled team, the defending team can actually monitor or just block them to the attacking team in the when the round starts. So let's just say bye, and yeah, this is pretty much everything that I got to show you today. If this was if this was helpful to you, then I appreciate that. And for this map, I did in 1 hour, and I'm doing a map giveaway on Steam, on the forum. I'm sorry, I'm doing a map giveaway on the forum. If you want it, just follow the instructions on the thread, and thank you. Bye.